Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight we're going to kick things off talking about Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, the activist investment company here doing their thing, very concentrated in that top 10 holdings, even the top 3 or top 5, but they've been doing very well for the past calendar year and year overall, or 12 months trailing. We're going to get into that. Updated net asset value here, cruising above $18 per share, holding above their firm. This is the updated daily net asset value for MJE. That's a ticker symbol for June 6, 2022. It was $18.27 per share, Jamaican dollars. Now, the radiology company, Elite Diagnostic Limited, talk about a much better quarter, their latest quarter in terms of profitability, trading in their shares here. Advisory that a connected party sold a total of just over 1.85 million shares between June 3rd to June 6th of this year. Now, Mayberry Investments Limited, this is an investment bank securities dealer here. Don't mix it up with Mayberry Jamaican Equities that we just spoke about earlier tonight. Traded in their shares here by MIL or MIL. Mayberry Investments Advisory, the connected party purchase, talk about skin in the game here. The trend is your friend. You tend to see this quite a bit of buying, whether it's connected parties, directors, senior managers, etc. in terms of Mayberry. That's investments. A total of just over 980,000 shares. A lot here, almost 1 million on June 2nd, 2022. Now, chemical company distributor, they do a lot of things here. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited making an interesting move here. Kind of like a double whammy or a double roll here. We haven't seen this in the market before, but sometimes it's good to set a trend. Appointment of CFO here, but also Chief Digital Strategist. So Chief Financial Officer in terms of the CFO acronym. So what led to this? Upon the resignation, the company states, of Mr. Junior Levine, effective July 30th, 2022, Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited has onboarded a new Chief Digital Strategist, that's CFO, Dr. Jacqueline Leckie Johnson, to lead Paramount into its digital transformation overall. Now, the appointment takes effect July 1st, 2022. Last up tonight, we got SOS, or Stationery Office Supplies Limited, acquisition of additional machines here used for book manufacturing. As we say in Business Life, look at companies that are doing deals, they're doing things, M&A, mergers and acquisitions. SOS here, or Stationery Office Supplies, is pleased to announce in terms of their advisory that as of Monday, early this week, June 6, 2022, SOS has acquired the assets of DK's Printing and Office Supplies. What does that mean here? 10 additional book manufacturing machines, plugging in, jumping into SOS in order to diversify the product range and increase the manufacturing capacity of its range of Seek products. Some time ago, SOS had actually bought out Seek, or the machinery there, and so forth. We've seen that in SOS's results, especially coming out of, let's say, COVID or the pandemic or that peak of COVID. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.